Привет, студенты! I'm Polina, and today's video is going to be a bit special because today I'm trying a new format. In this format, I will take a topic or a question I frequently get asked about and explain it in under 5 minutes. If after watching this video you like this new format, please drop a comment. This will help me understand that my content is appreciated, and that will help YouTube to understand that my channel and my content is relevant. So, thank you in advance to those who took a few seconds to do that. Now, let's begin our first topic: how to pronounce sound properly. This is a question that frequently comes up in my comments and DMs on Instagram. And if you have already started learning Russian and the Russian alphabet, you probably also noticed this strange letter But it's not that strange, and after this video you will see that. It might seem so because in many languages this sound simply doesn't exist, but it's actually a combination of sounds that your mouth can actually produce. So let's break it down step by step. Here's my simple method on how to say letter I. Let's begin with pronouncing English word bit. Bit. Focus on the short I sound. I. I. Keep the same tongue position, but pull it backwards towards your throat. Let's try saying it with me. I. I. Now let's pull our tongue backwards. I. 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 Keep this position. I. Here you got your sound I. Here's the alternative method. Let's say the English word book. Book. There is a long U sound. U. U. Focus on pronouncing this sound. U. U. But instead of rounding your lips, try keeping them relaxed and slightly spread. Keep pronouncing U and then spread your lips. This also gets you close to the sound U. By the way, I'm showing you Russian letters, but maybe you don't know how to read the Russian alphabet yet. And if that's your case, then I have made a video about that. The link must appear somewhere here. Also, I have prepared a guide with audio, and I will leave the link in the description in case you want to download it. That's totally free. Okay, back to I. Let's practice with simple words. Мы. Мы. That means we. Try reading it. Мы. Ты. Ты. That means you. Try saying it. Ты. Сыр. 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 That means cheese. Сыр. Try saying it. Good. Here's a pro tip. If you're still struggling pronouncing the sound I, try yawning a bit. This will put your tongue into exactly right position for the sound I, and try saying it. Remember, don't worry if it doesn't sound perfectly immediately. Even native Russian children take time to master this sound. The key is the consistent practice, and you will see that after a few times, you will be able to pronounce this sound confidently and naturally. Your homework is to practice this sound I as well as 3 words we learned: мы, ты, сыр. For just 2 minutes each day until you manage to say them correctly and they feel natural when you say them. I guarantee you will notice fast improvement. So what did you think about this format? Let me know in the comments below. Next video might be about some simple grammar, so don't forget to subscribe and activate notification if you don't want to miss it. And if this video helped you finally understand I sound, smash that like button, and I will see you in our next lesson. Пока-пока!